Hey there, lovebirds! Are you ready to unlock the secrets of making your crush totally obsessed with you? Well, grab your wands because we're about to cast a spell without any delay. Once upon a time, people dreamt of love potions and magical incantations to make their hearts flutter. But in the real world, we've got psychology and human behavior on our side. So, let's dive into the non-magical ways to turn your crush into a head-over-heels admirer. Number 1. Show your best self. Imagine being the kind of person everyone wants to be around. By highlighting your best qualities, you're not only making yourself attractive but also building a solid reputation. We all seek partners with good values and traits, even if you want to keep a hint of mystery. Just remember, there's a fine line between being edgy and being plain nasty. Number 2. Take care of yourself. Looking after your hygiene, eating healthy, and staying active are not just for your well-being. They're major turn-ons. It shows that you respect yourself and set high standards. By maintaining a healthy lifestyle, you're basically saying, "Hey, I'm committed to being the best version of me." Who wouldn't find that irresistible? Number 3. Be a shoulder to cry on. Even the most independent people need a cheerleader sometimes. Show your crush that you're always there for them, even if they seem like they're surrounded by a squad of supporters. Psychologist Duncan Kramer says that couples who support each other have better relationships and handle conflicts like pros. By being a reliable backbone, you'll become someone they know they can always count on. Number 4. Keep them guessing. Don't give away all your secrets at once. Mystery creates a sizzling intrigue between people. Let your crush's mind wander as they try to uncover your hidden depths. It's like a thrilling game where they're dying to know more about the enigmatic you. Just don't overdo it. Remember, mystery is not about being a total shut-in. Number 5. Don't come on too strong. There's nothing more off-putting than someone who's pushy or blunt when it comes to romance. Sure, communication is key, but revealing too much too soon can kill the magic. If you want your crush to be obsessed, let things unfold naturally. Just focus on being the charming, supportive, and mysterious person you are. Don't expect anything in return, and don't play mind games. Number 6. The ultimate love spell. Here's the closest thing we have to a magical potion: be the best version of yourself. The right person will recognize your worth and fall head over heels. Remember, these things take time. Consistency is key. So, put these tips into action, and with a little patience and a whole lot of your genuine self, you'll create your own ethical love potion. So, aspiring wizards of love, sorcerers of seduction, and magicians of the heart, I hope this video has empowered you in the quest to make your crush obsess over you. But remember, this is not about manipulation or quick fixes. It's about embracing your true self and making a genuine connection. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more relationship tips. We'll see you next time, and good luck, love seekers!